Hello everyone, we're going to be doing a Cinquain poem today. A Cinquain poem is really interesting because it flows through parts of speech. We're going to start with a noun. I want you for your Cinquain poem, if you can, to think of something spring-like. Maybe it's an animal that's coming out in the spring, such as a deer. Maybe it's a flower that's coming out in spring, or an activity that you like to do in the spring. Today for my Cinquain poem, the noun, the person, place, or thing that I'm going to choose is a tulip, and that's a type of flower. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose two adjectives or describing words for a noun to describe my tulip. Two adjectives. The two words I'm going to choose are rhyming so that I'm showing that I'm understanding some rhyming from poetry. I'm going to choose bright and white. Two lines finished. The next line is going to be three verbs or three action words that a tulip might do ending in ing. So I'm going to write ing on all three lines. And then I'm going to think of three things that a tulip does. Well, it grows, it blows, it blossoms. I'm actually going to use alliteration, and I'm going to start all of my verbs with the letter B. And after some thought, I'm going to have blowing, blooming, and blossoming. So far, my poem says, tulip, bright, white, blowing, blooming, blossoming. Next is a short phrase. Now, I can think of something that either describes my tulip or something that my tulip does. I'm going to say soaking up the sun's rays. And the last line is a synonym or a word that is similar to the first noun that we used. And I'm going to choose flower. I hope you enjoyed my tulip poem. I'm going to reread it one more time. Tulip, bright white, blowing, blooming, blossoming, soaking up the sun's rays, flower.